In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Coinbase Wallet extension. By the end, you'll have the extension installed, set up, and ready to manage crypto and NFTs right from your browser, with a clear grasp of the key security essentials along the way. First, let's install the extension. Open the Chrome web store in your browser. In the search bar, type Coinbase Wallet and look for the official extension from Coinbase. Click Add to Chrome, then confirm the installation when Chrome asks for permission. This adds the wallet to your browser so you can interact with decentralized apps and manage your assets without leaving your current tab. Once it's installed, click the new Coinbase Wallet icon in the browser toolbar. You'll be prompted to choose between creating a new wallet or importing an existing one. If you're brand new, select Create a new wallet. If you already have a wallet elsewhere, choose Import and carefully enter your 12-word recovery phrase to restore it. Only enter that phrase inside the extension itself, and never paste it into any website or message. If you're creating a new wallet, the extension will generate a unique 12-word recovery phrase for you. You'll be asked to confirm specific words, often the first and the 12th, to prove you saved it correctly. Write this phrase down and store it securely offline. Do not share it with anyone, ever. Anyone with that phrase can access your funds. Next, you'll create a strong password to unlock the wallet on your computer. Think of this like the key to your browser session. It's local to your device and does not replace your recovery phrase, so you still need to keep that phrase safe. Quick note, I've placed the official Chrome web store link for the Coinbase Wallet extension at the very top of the description to make sure you download the legitimate one. To keep the wallet handy, click the puzzle piece icon in Chrome, find Coinbase Wallet, and click the pin. This keeps the icon visible in your toolbar for one-click access. Inside the extension, you can send, receive, and view your crypto across popular networks like Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon. You can also view and manage your NFTs directly in the wallet. When sending assets, double-check the network and address, and remember that network fees may apply depending on the chain you're using. For security, never share your 12-word recovery phrase with anyone. Always review transaction details in the pop-up carefully before approving. If something looks off, cancel and verify the source. That's it. You're ready to use the Coinbase Wallet extension with confidence. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.